Hello everybody, happy Fun Hat Friday. It is Friday, September 25th. Today this is what we're going to do. I'm going to give you guys time to work on your projects. We're going to watch CNN 10, but we're also going to review. So in the book on page 26, begins the provinces. So if you'll look here at this map, there are only four natural provinces in New Mexico. There's the Rocky Mountains province, the Colorado Plateau province, the Basin and Range province, the Great Plains province. For your project, you will choose from one of these provinces. You may not choose anywhere in the U.S., in the world. We're talking about New Mexico. So you can choose from the Rocky Mountains province, the Colorado Plateau province, the Great Plains province, or the Basin and Range province. So for your project, you choose one of these. Then you're going to tell me about the terrain. What does the terrain look like? And terrain means, are there mountains? Is it flat? Is it hilly? Are there volcanoes? That is the terrain. Then you pick your own house. Your own house is yours. You pick whatever house you want to live in because you're a new gazillionaire. Like, that is your only freebie. That's your choice. Then you're going to tell me about the weather, the climate, and the climate is on each one of these tabs. So you're going to talk to me about the weather and why you chose that province and if you like the weather or not. Then you're going to choose some animals and plant life from the book. All of your information comes from the book. The only thing that comes from the internet are your pictures. So whatever province you have chosen to live in, you choose it from the book, pages 26 through page 33. And you have to tell me about the climate, plants, animals, and the terrain from your province that you chose. You can't make it up. You can't just Google it because you're going to be wrong. It needs to come from the book. Okay? So, you also should have notes that is very descriptive of each of these provinces. We have gone through this part in the chapter. I gave you bullet points with some information about each province. So make sure you are following the directions and choosing from one of these four provinces and getting your information from the book. Okay? I'm here if you need me. Ask me questions in class. Ask me in a private comment and your assignment. Okay? That is our review. If you have questions about your province, about the terrain, I can help you find where that is. All right? So don't struggle through this. Don't Google it because you're going to get it wrong. Don't try to rush through this assignment because then your grade will reflect that you rushed through it. All right? Okay. Good talk. And I can't wait to see all of your hats. Miss Dominguez and I are twinning again today. Toodles!